Hello everyone. Every Fashion has reached 100 plus subscribers. Thanking each one of you for your support. Welcome to today's video on clothing materials. It is always good to know what you wear, right? Clothing materials come from natural sources like plants and animals, or they are chemically synthesized. Natural ones like cotton comes from cotton plant, wool from animals like sheep, silk from silkworm, fur from hair and leather from skin of different types of animals. In synthetic materials, rayon is an exception made using wood pulp followed by chemical process. The others are completely chemically prepared. We will discuss rayon, spandex and acrylic another time and focus on the rest in this video. Before we start, there are mainly two ways of making fabrics from fibers, by weaving or knitting. There are hundreds of weaving and knitting patterns creating different appearance and properties in the fabric. Starting with cotton, the most popular summer clothing. It's natural and skin friendly. Different weaving styles create soft t-shirts to tough denims. Its coolness comes from air pockets created in the woven material. It can be light and soft or very dense and coarse. Silk is one of the luxury fabric. It is a preferred wedding and functional wear. It's a natural fiber and can be worn in most climates. Nowadays, artificial silks like rayon silks have become more common because of affordability. Original silk is a lighter fabric, it's smoother and softer to touch. Fur, wool and leather provide warmth and are therefore good as winter wears. Unlike wool, fur and leather involve killing the animal. Hence, fake materials called faux fur and faux leather became popular over time. It is possible for fur to be woven or knitted like wool. Artificial wool can also be created using materials like acrylic. Synthetically made most popular fabric is polyester. Along with other materials, they are used to create water-resilient fabrics for suits, ties, jackets, jerseys, etc. It's woven smooth and shiny, but it is an unbreathable fabric. It makes us sweat a lot. Not good for summer or winter. Also, it melts easily, so we have to be careful while ironing and while near the fire. Veils, gowns and stockings that have a net-like appearance is usually made of nylon. It is used as a net fabric because a complete fabric with nylon would look and feel like plastic. Nylon is also synthetically made. In case you are wondering about these materials, shall we go ahead and see what they are? A fabric that is as popular as cotton or even more is linen. It is also a natural fiber coming from flax plant, also called linseed plant. It is softer, lighter and dries faster than cotton. Cotton fabric woven in a linen style with more air gaps between threads are commonly called linen, but actually it is a different fabric. Free-falling, large volume, easily draping, slightly transparent. What materials come to our mind when we hear these words? Definitely georgette and chiffon. They both were made from silk fibers, but for making it less expensive, now mostly synthetic fibers are used. Chiffon is more transparent than georgette. Also, the texture of georgette is slightly rough, known as crepe. We will see other crepe materials in upcoming videos. Chiffon, on the other hand, has a very smooth feel. Satin is an expensive looking but very affordable light and silky fabric. Originally made from silk, but later nylon and polyester took over for cost reason. The difference in weaving style makes it smoother and shinier. Apart from dresses and gowns, ties, ribbons, ballet shoes, curtains, etc. are made from satin. Also, they are used as lining material for transparent clothing. Velvet is a royal fabric used as huge stage curtains and even in chairs and sofas because of its coziness. The heavy velvet coat is what keeps Santa Claus warm. It's an extremely soft fabric because it is woven in a special way by creating short dense piles of cut threads. Original expensive version is natural silk velvet, which was later replaced by other fibers. More interesting fabrics, textures and designs will be covered in my future videos. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.